Hello, good morning, students. I am Shama Yasmin. Today I am going to teach you science. My topic is reproduction in animals. So, let's start. Look at this picture of animals and their young ones. A dog has cute little puppy, a lion has cub, and a bird has little chicks. Reproduction. What is reproduction? All the animals have ability to produce more of their own kind, mainly by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. This is called reproduction. Let's learn something more about reproduction in animals. Firstly, I am going to tell about the egg laying animals. Animals that lay egg. Several animals reproduce by laying eggs. Some insects like butterfly, amphibians like frog, most fish, reptiles like lizard, turtle, snake, and all birds reproduce by laying eggs. You can see this. In some cases, the mother bird sits on the egg to provide them warmth. Once fully developed, the little chicks break open the eggshell and comes out. This process is called hatching. Birds. Most birds in lay egg in nest. Let's see how does an egg look. The outermost part of the egg is the eggshell, which has a white jelly-like substance called albumin, which is rich in protein. The yellow inner part of the egg is yolk, and it is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. It contains food for the growing baby or the embryo. It is this embryo that develops into a chick. To summarize the entire reproduction in egg-laying animals, you can see this chart. It is important to note that all birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build nests on the trees to lay their egg and raise their young ones. Next is amphibians. Some animals like frog and salamander can live in water as well as on land. These animals are known as amphibians. Life cycle of a frog. The female frog lay eggs in large clusters called spawns. When the eggs hatch, a small tadpole comes out of it. A tadpole undergoes several changes you can see here. Now next is insect. Insects like cockroach, butterfly and housefly lay eggs. Butterfly and housefly goes through 4 stages of development. You can see this. Life cycle of a cockroach. Cockroach goes through 3 stages during their life cycle. Egg, nymph, adult, cockroach. The baby cockroach that hatch out of the eggs are called nymphs. They do not have wings. They are white in color and gradually turn brown. They shed their skin several times before becoming an adult. The shedding of old skin is called molting. It is only after molting several times that a nymph becomes an adult cockroach. Now next is reptiles. Let's see, how do reptiles reproduce? Reptiles are crawling animals. Some commonly known reptiles include lizard, snake, crocodiles, turtles, etc. Most reptiles lay eggs on the ground but generally do not hatch them. Warmth of the sand or soil helps the baby growing inside the egg to develop and hatch. The female remains near the nest to protect the eggs and to lead the newly hatched babies to the water. Now next is fish. All the fish lay thousands of eggs at a time. Many eggs get eaten by bigger fish with few hundred surviving. There are about 129 kinds of aquatic animals that do not lay eggs but give birth their young ones. Most common ones are whales, dolphins, and seals, etc. Now, next is animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. The young one developed inside the female animal's body. They are delivered once the full term is over. Mammals have hair on their body. Dogs, whale, elephants are some examples of mammals. Now next is care of the young ones. Animals take care of their young ones for a brief period after their birth. Mammals feed their young ones their own milk. Birds too bring bits of food and keep feeding their young ones. They also stay around their nest to protect their babies from other animals that may want to hunt. All about the reproduction in animals. So thank you, have a nice day.